So guys, I got some rice right here, some chopped peppers, which is bell pepper and hot pepper, some Jamaican curry powder, 2 eggs, and some mixed vegetable. The mixed vegetables was in the freezer. I did not remember to take it out before I start recording. With all that said and done, let's get into the process. So the first thing I did was to pour about 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil into the pot. Then I went ahead and pour my mixed veg and my peppers inside the oil. If your mixed veg is frozen, you'll want to make it defrost first inside the pot before you pour the curry powder into the pot. All I'm doing right here is to mix the curry powder along with the vegetables so they can combine together. After that, I went ahead and prepared my rice. The rice that I used was parboiled rice. You don't have to use parboiled rice, you can just use about any rice of your choice. Then I went ahead and poured my rice inside the pot, mix until everything is combined. After everything is combined, I leave the pot on the stove on low heat so that the rice can bake. It doesn't matter how long you allow it to stay on the stove as long as it doesn't burn. All I'm doing right here is to prepare my eggs. After that, I add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper and mix. Not want to use the tail of the shrimp, you can go ahead and take them off. And remember, this is your meal, so you can use any type of shrimp that you like. Right here, I'm just adding some black pepper and some Maggi seasoning. Then I add some jerk sauce, which is optional. The jerk sauce is to give the meal more flavor and spice, which I like because I like spicy food. So now I'm adding the shrimp to the pot. Ensure that the oil is hot before you add the shrimp. So you're going to allow the shrimp. So guys, right here I add my soy sauce, which is the last ingredient. Be careful when you're adding your soy sauce. If you add too much soy sauce, it will cause the rice to look a little darker than it's supposed to, like mine did. After you add the soy sauce, you want the rice to look more like the curry powder than the soy sauce. I think I added about 3 tablespoons. You can go ahead and add 2 tablespoons Stir fry until everything is combined, then you can go ahead and serve. So guys, here is the finished product, your shrimp fried rice. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you come back again. Thanks for watching and I shall see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe and tell your friends and loved ones about Wella's Kitchen YouTube channel. Peace out.